In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SSL certificate issues in Shopify. If your store is showing not secure, SSL pending, or a certificate error, this walkthrough will help you confirm the right settings and get your site loading securely over HTTPS. Start by signing in to your Shopify Admin and landing on the home dashboard. From here, we want to adjust settings related to your domain and SSL. Open the Settings area in the bottom left of your admin. This is where Shopify centralizes store configuration, including domains and security. Next, go to the Domains section. This page lists your primary domain and any connected domains. Look for your custom domain and check its status. Ideally, it should say Connected, and you'll see an indicator that SSL is active. If the status shows Not Connected or SSL Pending, that usually means Shopify can't finish issuing the certificate yet because the domain's DNS isn't fully pointing to Shopify. If you purchased your domain through Shopify, SSL typically activates automatically. It may just need a little time. If the domain was purchased elsewhere, we'll verify the DNS settings next. Now, make sure your domain is connected and activated in Shopify. If you see an option to connect an existing domain, follow the prompt and enter your domain name. Once added, Shopify will check the connection. If SSL still shows pending, don't worry. This simply means Shopify is waiting for proper DNS records before it can finalize the certificate. Keep this page open so you can return and refresh after updating your DNS. Then head to your domain provider's website. This is your registrar or DNS host, and confirm the domain points to Shopify. In your DNS settings, your root domain should have an A record that points to Shopify, and your www record should be a CNAME that points to Shopify as well. Remove any extra or conflicting A, AAA, or CNAME records that might send traffic somewhere else. Save your changes and give the DNS a moment to propagate. This can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24-48 hours, depending on your provider. Return to the Shopify domains page and refresh. As the DNS updates propagate, the status should move to connected and the SSL indicator should become active. If you still see a delay, try clearing your browser cache or checking from a different device or network. Once everything shows as connected and SSL is active, visit your domain in a new tab and confirm it loads with HTTPS. Your store should now be secure and ready for customers.